Hey guys, so welcome. This is 2023 and I'm going over a bunch of my videos. This is when I got my first cut totally that I am keeping up with now, and I am just loving the vibration of the color of my Nordalocks. My Nordalocks did not have no extension when I originally did it.
You know what's crazy?
However, these
Today,
are
they can see my
Nordalocks
hair looking
with
like
an
this all beige.
extension brand.
And then
Nordalocks is
tomorrow,
our
my
trademark
hair looking like proper hotness.
service that we do
Hello,
here at
what you know what
Organik
put on for
Nordaz.
Monday?
And a lot of
Regular
people
business.
ask, what is Nordalocks? We
Excuse me.
have
So what else
Nordalocks with
is?
its
What
extension
what
and one
just?
without extension. All of these clients you're looking at all have Nordalocks. Some is without extension, some is with extension. That is our trademark brand. We did patent our trademark brand, and it's no different from other services such as Sister Lock. So we do train people who wants to learn how to do the Nordalock system. And we do the Nordalocks with extension and without extension. So you may be asking, do you do the person here first and then put the extension in? No, it depends on whether they get an extension or without extension. This client have extensions all the way 100% full-fledged extension. And how do we continue the service? We retightening the roots every time she comes to the shop. She might get her service done every 4 weeks, every 6 weeks, or every 5 weeks. This service is a very intense service. There is some slippage that will happen if your hair does that. Now, this is how her color is after two retightening. We colored her blonde hair into black and we gave her a vibrant red, orangey at the ends ombre color, which she loved better than the blonde. Now, I will say this about blonde hair. Blonde hair with extension can look so fake in the beginning. So normally when you consult with us, I normally give you an option, but if you want the blonde hair like she did in the beginning, then that's fine. If not, then we can change the color and give you a vibrant color of your choice. Our colors that we have here at Organik Nordaz with the Nordalocks system, which is a trademark brand, we make sure that we get 100% human hair color. Our customer is wearing her Nordalocks also. Look at this vibrant Nordalocks. These are extension Nordalocks brand. So someone asked, do you keep your extensions? Yes, you do. However, if you want to cut the extension later on because your locks are trained, you can also cut it later on. You still have our trademark brand, which is Nordalocks. Nordalocks is looking for people who wants to get training in the right way of doing locks, the professional way. If you look at this client, she had sister locks. Her sister lock was damaged. So what we had to do was put the Nordalocks in her hair because her sister lock was so damaged from previous. So she didn't want to lose her locks. So she came to us and we did a 3-day procedure of extending her sister locks and adding here. I will look and see if I have an update picture because we did change her hair to like a blonde color. Now, this is one of my favorite customer that wears her hair. She have the Nordalocks from scratch. We did her Nordalocks around 4 years ago, and she wanted more extension, so we add more extension on her hair. So it's a mixture because she always have that orangey red in her hair. So when we extended her hair, we extended to 6 more inches from her original Nordalocks, and she is just loving it. And you see her with the crinkles. We thank you and we so appreciate everything that you guys have given us over the years and support us. So yes, we're still in business. And of course, check out our Suds and Skin fabulous product at sudsandskin.com. Our products make your hair grow. It is very natural. This is our 4 comfort when you come inside Organik Nordaz. We are currently renting out suites that is right there by the window. The prices are very reasonable. So if you want to join Organik Nordaz in Temple Hills, Maryland, reach out to us. Come and get a suite. Learn how to do locks, but make sure you have clientels if you are coming in our facility. And check out our product line, our natural products professionally used in our salon. Thank you for watching and thanks for your support, and see you later.